Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see ASP.NET Core Identity with the MVC application like user registration, login, logout and profile management. So this is our final output page. So if you see here, here I'm going to do some registration by using my email. So technozone@gmail.com, and I'm entering my password and I'm clicking on the confirm password and clicking on registration. So now I have created my account. I'm going to confirm my account. My account got confirmed. Just try to log in whatever we registered with the user email ID. I'm entering my email ID and entering the password for the account. Let's log in. Yeah, so if you see here, here we are able to log in with the profile created. Here we can able to see the profile management account like profile, email, password, two-factor authentication, and those things we can able to see here. So let's go to the video now. So here I'm opening my Visual Studio and I'm clicking on create new solution. So here I am going to enter the MVC application. So now I'm selecting the MVC application and click on next. Here I'm going to enter the project name as employee portal. Click on next. Now I'm going to select the framework and the authentication type. So if you see here, I am here selecting here authentication type as individual account. So by selecting this, we can able to do the identity of the application completely. We can, complete MVC application. We can able to do the registration path without writing any single line of code. Yeah, so this is our application. So it will load with predefined objects like so application, our solution name and application name. Let me put the rebuild. Yeah, so before running this project, we need to map our local database. So I'm going to change my local database server name. I'm just giving the database name as employee portal. Employee portal database DB. Just click on save, and you can see the view predefined views, and area is created by identity. So here we don't have any pages, and the data migrations, everything added defaultly. So what we need to do is, next we need to generate the database by using the package manager console window. Let's go to the package manager console and just give the command like update -database. So just enter. So build starter and successed, and now you can see some data model, some data model in the application changes, and also database has been created on the backend. If you see here, employee portal DB has been created. We can see the tables like predefined identity tables like ASP.NET roles, user, claims, everything. It will come automatically. Let's run the application now. Let's wait for something. Sometime it's loading. It will take some time to load. Yeah, so now our application got opened here. Now I'm clicking on login and I'm clicking on registration. You can see all predefined things has been automatically added here. We have not written any single line of code or page design. We have not done anything for this. So by using this identity, all the properties are automatically generating, even the view and the database level and the code, everything it is generating automatically. So next we need to add the identity by clicking on the controller. We need to just add the identity. So identity, we can just customize our pages like login page and registration and other profile management page, whatever you want to customize. Like you want to add some UI design parts, you can do that. I'm just selecting login and the registration. If you want, you can select all and you can just add these pages to your application so that you can do your customization on this. Customizations like CSS, you can add some predefined HTML code, and also you can do some animations on the page. So it's all predefined. Whatever you want, you can just select all the pages, you can add that. Now it got loaded. If you go and see inside the area identity pages, you can see login, registration, HTML pages. So now we are going to do some design for the login page. So for that I'm going to use the bootstrap components. So let's use the bootstrap cards here. Just search for bootstrap card. Yeah, little bit scroll down, so you can see some set of card information here. So you take the snippet of the code and we can go to our application and we can paste on the top to do some customization on the design. I'm just pasting this card information. So here quickly I'm going to add our information. I mean, it is already predefinedly added, those things we need to add. So and also I'm going to add the class variable to make this login form visible in the center. For that we need to add the class. So container, I'm giving HS 100 and deflex class. And justify your content as a center. Yeah, that's it. So based on this class, your content will visible on the center of the center of the page. So I'm removing unwanted thing from the card. Predefined card tag. So now we need to move the login section to the inside the card. So just cut the form and move it to card body. Paste it here. Yes, and remove this unwanted detail information. If you want, you can have, otherwise you can remove it. And I'm removing the unwanted other tags and the HTML tags and all I'm going to remove now. So this is not even required now because we have added inside the card body. Yeah. Now we need to add the image on the card. So I already downloaded the images for login and sign up. Even you can search in the Google and you can take your whatever you like, you can take the images, and those images you can keep inside your application. So I'm going to move it to www root. So create the new folder inside the www root, folder name called images, and paste those images here. Yeah. Now give the path for that. image slash and slash I'm going to give login.jpg. Yeah, that's it. Just run and we'll see whether this design is affecting or not. Yeah, so design is affecting, but it went left side. Let's check the tags now. It should visible in the center. Let's check the class. Yeah, so we need to keep this card content inside the div. So I missed to add inside the div. So now I am adding inside the div. I mean center div. I'm just increasing the width. Let's try now. Yeah, so now it's working as expected. So design and the width and everything, it is affected. So now we'll see the registration part also. So registration still is having the old code. Let's change it to design what we have done already in the login part. So I'm just copying the same content. I'm in the center divs. Go to registration. Same how we done for the login. Similarly, we have to do here also, and close the div. Copy the card content from the Bootstrap website, paste it here, change the width of 25. So removing the unwanted content from the card body, and I'm going to add from the the form content we are going to add to the card body. Yeah, so now I'm going to remove this unwanted div. Remove the unwanted content. If you want, you can keep that. I'm removing this. Yeah, that's it. We'll run and we'll see whether it is design is coming or not. Yeah, so design is happening, but image is not coming. Let's see why this image is not coming. Yeah, so we have not given the path of the image. Let's give the path. Image slash signup.jpg. Yeah, so I done with the image. Let's run the application now. Click on register. Yeah, now the design also coming here. So yeah, so our login and the registration is working. I mean design part is working fine. So let's register one user here. Email ID, password, and the confirm password, and click on register. Yeah, and confirm your account by clicking the below link. Yeah, now just log into the created account. Let's see whether we are able to log into the system. Before that, you can see the database whether the user is inserted or not. I'm just opening here. Yeah, So the record already inserted into the database. Let's try to log into the system. Click on login. Yes, so now we are able to log into the application. I'm going to click on the management. So profile management, you can see the profile page. Email, password, two-factor authentication, personal data, everything. So I'm just entering the phone number here. Let's see whether it is saving to the database or not. Yeah, your profile has been updated, and we'll check in the database phone number is affecting or not. Yeah, so if you see here, phone number has been updated into the database. Yeah, so I'm going to log out now. So that's all about this complete application. So ASP.NET Core 5.0 is working with Identity. So if you like my video, just like and comment and share it to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.